Nathan Singh. I'm from Tambia Lambasa, Vasui, Bautai level. I have a record of 4 fights, 3 wins, and yeah, it's been good. My preparation started in Australia 4 weeks ago, so it's been good so far. I'm just gonna keep myself focused and composed, and then see what my team tells me to do. I would do.
What do you know about your opponent?
My opponent is pretty good. I know pretty much everything about him because we fought already one time. It was a good fight, and I know the people loved the fight. But I know this time it's going to be even a better fight because we both already felt each other out. We know how we both fight, so it should be an even more cracker fight. I expect cuts and bruises on both our face in this fight. Oh yeah, this time I'll be fighting on the front foot. I would, from the first bell, I will try and finish the fight as early as possible. I'm not sure what round because I'm no god, but yeah, I'll try and finish the fight as early as possible. Revenge is a big word. Revenge. You take revenge on someone you hate. I don't hate Ronald Naidu. It's just gonna be a very good fight. I know the fans will love it. Oh, after this fight, I'm going back to the 52 kilogram weight category. So I'll base myself from 52 to 55. Whether it's a win or lose, I know after the next Ronald Naidu fight, I know no one in between 52 to 61 would want to fight me. So I would not waste my time much longer here locally. I'll go and fight internationally. I'm coping pretty well. I think it's a God-given gift. I can change weight and still be strong at the same time.